One of the most expensive and dreaded vehicle repairs is the transmission, but it doesn't have to be that way. Don't wait until your transmission starts shifting erratically, slipping, and chattering, because if you do, eventually it will fail. The BG transmission service dissolves and suspends the varnish and gums that build up in your transmission. Then, old fluid is removed and replaced with premium transmission fluid and conditioner to ensure optimum functioning until your next service interval. The result will be a smoother operating transmission and peace of mind with the lifetime BG protection plan for transmissions. Ask about the BG transmission service today.
BG